Welcome to the Betmgm guide. Today, we're going to walk you through how to cancel a withdrawal. There may be times when you need to cancel a withdrawal, whether due to changes in your plans or reconsideration. Let's start by accessing your Betmgm account. Open your browser and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Withdrawals section in your account menu. Look for the pending withdrawal you wish to cancel. It should be clearly listed here. Now, click on the Cancel Withdrawal button next to the transaction you want to reverse. You will see a confirmation window. Make sure to confirm that you want to proceed with the cancellation. To ensure successful withdrawals in the future, double-check your account details and keep an eye on transaction confirmations. If you encounter issues, be sure to check your internet connection or contact customer support if needed. In summary, canceling a withdrawal on Betmgm is straightforward. Just follow these steps, and you'll be all set.